friends, it's me, Dory, with the Pauline Haas Public Library Virtual Kids Lab. And today I'm going to have a really quick video showing you how to make your own Alka-Seltzer lava lamp and how they work. So let's just jump into it.
To understand our experiment, we need to know why oil and water do not mix. Let's start with the water. As you may know, just about everything in the universe is made up of atoms. Water is made up of 3 atoms, 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. In chemical terms, that makes water dihydrogen monoxide. Have you ever been in the car while it was raining? Did you notice how the raindrops falling down the window mostly stuck together? That's because water molecules love to be with other water molecules. Think of water molecules as giving each other a big group hug. Water molecules like to be with each other because they are polarized. That means they're sticking together like magnets. Now let's talk about oil. Olive oil has 88 carbon, 164 hydrogen, and 10 oxygen. That's so many atoms, I'm not even going to try to draw it. Oil is not polarized. That is why when oil is on a surface, instead of gathering together like water, it just gets slimy. When you add sugar or salt to water, eventually it dissolves. That's because sugar and salt are small enough to squeeze into the water's group hug. Oil, on the other hand, is not small enough. In the beginning, the oil will try to join in with the water, but it'll just get pushed out because the water is polarized, so it's stuck together, and the oil doesn't have anything like that. So it floats to the top. Next, let's add in the Alka-Seltzer. The Alka-Seltzer is pretty much just baking soda and citric acid. When the Alka-Seltzer touches the water, it creates a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, the way that the molecule is changes. In this case, the chemical reaction changes the Alka-Seltzer so it wants to get rid of carbon and oxygen. When the carbon and oxygen are released, they make the bubbles that are floating to the top. Not as complicated as it seems, right? When the bubbles float, it pushes the oil out of the way. The water doesn't like the oil, so it tries to push it back to the top, and the Alka-Seltzer chemical reaction displaces the oil again. See? Easy! All together now, here's a step-by-step to making your own. First, find a clear jar or cup. Wine glasses work particularly well for this experiment. Fill it almost to the top with oil, and then fill the rest up with water. Next, you can add in food coloring. I didn't do this because I realized too late that I didn't have any. But if you use food coloring, it won't change the experiment at all. It'll just look cool. Once everything's settled, take your Alka-Seltzer and crush it up just a little bit into about 4 pieces. Then put one of the pieces in. When the reaction starts to slow down, you can put in another piece. And there's the whole thing. Thanks for watching. This is super cool and super fun, and I hope that you guys had fun doing this too. See you later!